Hi friends, welcome to my video. In this video, we are going to see the uses of plasmids. Artificially constructed plasmids may be used as vectors in genetic engineering. These plasmids serve as important tools in genetics and biotechnology labs, where they are commonly used to clone and amplify or express particular genes. These cloning vectors contain a site that allows DNA fragments to be inserted. After the gene of interest is inserted, the plasmids are introduced into bacteria by a process called transformation. Another major use of plasmids is to make large amounts of proteins. Example, insulin. Plasmids is also used in gene therapy. I am concluding this video here and see you soon in my next video. Thank you friends.